Hey everyone, this is David. So I have a project here that I'm working on, and I actually got it working, and I'm pretty excited. One of those eureka things. I can't believe that it works. So for all my projects that I've been working on, I really didn't play too much with the code. I just kind of left it the way it is. I didn't really cut and paste any other code around. But this is a little different. What I have here is a serial monitor. I have open, and I have two temperature gauges. One is a TMP36 temperature sensor, and one is an LM35. Now, the TMP36 was part of the Sparkfun kit, and the LM35 was part of the Sunfounder kit. And you can see here that the voltage to run the TMP36 is um, 0.75, while the LM35 requires less voltage, which is kind of interesting. Another thing too is you can tell the difference between the temperatures. If you have two temperature sensors here, I mean, what is the real temperature? But they are really close together. One is 76, and 75. So I know that the temperature is probably pretty much correct with these sensors. So let me show you the project, and then you can see a little bit better what's going on. So let me just open up the circuit. I call it the double thermometer because that's what we're doing. We have two thermometers or two sensors on the Arduino board. So this is I have two temperature sensors on the Arduino, two different models, TMP36 and the other one, the LM35. So right here, defining the pin which the LM is located. I included the liquid crystal library, even though that would be my next step, is to get this going on the liquid on the display. I put some floats in this and constants. Okay, and this is where the serial began, is where using the serial monitor. And I think I added this because this is part of the Sunfounder code. And here's some more code that I cut and paste and I added, blah, blah, blah. And then this prints out the temperature of the TMP36 temperature, and this is the LM35. And also prints out the voltage as well. So let me show you what the board looks like as well. And looks like this. So I have my Sparkfun board out because my Sparkfun bit the dust. So I have it just hooked up to the PC right now because I'm using the serial monitor. And then this is the beauty of it. You see, these are two temperature sensors. You have one here and you have one there. And they're two different models by two different companies. And it's almost like, well, which one is better? Which one is more, what's going on there? So what I'm going to do is this, I'm going to hold down, you can see right here, one of the temperatures is, let's see, about 76, 75. Now I'm going to hold one of them, and then it should go up. So you see how it goes to 78, 79, 81. So this one is 82, 83. So I'm touching it, so my heat of my finger is increasing the temperature. So this is the TM, one of them. That's probably the TMP36. Now let go of it, and it's going to go back down to about 75, 76. I find this pretty exciting because I haven't had a chance really to code yet. I'm using two different temperature sensors, and they're two different model sensors, which is pretty exciting. So I'm really excited about this project. This is the first time that I made something that I kind of wanted to make and think about once I got these two projects. And it seems to be working great. Probably the next step on this is to get these two, to get the LCD display out so that I can have one on one line the temperature and on another line have the other temperature. And I probably can do that pretty well because I do have the Sunfounder code has the temperature display. So that's what's going on right now. Everything is good. I'm really happy that this is working. I ended the night on an up note because sometimes I realize with these electronics is that you can buy all these, for $1, $2, $3, $4, and the project just goes on and on. Or you break something, you put too much voltage, or it blows up, or you smell smoke, and then there's just a dead component, and then it just goes into the trash or goes nowhere. And then you have to order another piece from China again, and that takes another month or so. So I'm happy that this is working. Everything looks good. And I can find out now what the temperature of the room is that I'm in. So right now it's kind of comfortable at 75, 77. It's about 75. And if I squeeze, like I said, one of them, I'm going to squeeze the LM1. The LM1 is going to go up because I'm holding my finger on it. So that's what's going on. Hope you enjoy my project. Um, I did the code, I uploaded it, I'm going to save my project, and everything is good. So thanks. Goodbye.